Hi everyone, it's Casey with The Gentle Pit, and today I want to talk to you about something that every dog owner cannot afford not to have. It's not the latest dog collar or flea and tick prevention, although those things are important. It's pet insurance. Let me start by illustrating with a short story. One day we noticed our rescue pitty, Olive, acting a little different than normal. She was sluggish, she wasn't eating or drinking, and she wasn't going to the bathroom. After taking her to multiple vets over a series of multiple visits, we found out that Olive had a chunk of tennis ball lodged in her intestine and needed emergency surgery immediately in order to save her life. All of this was gonna cost us $5,000. So what would you do? Do you have $5,000 sitting in a bank account earmarked for emergency vet bills? Because we didn't. But luckily we were able to say yes to every life-saving procedure that Olive needed because we have pet insurance. So let's look at some numbers. What does having pet insurance mean to you financially? So currently we pay $90 a month for Olive's pet insurance. And I know that as soon as I say that number, I'm gonna be getting a whole bunch of eye rolls from you guys going, Casey, come on, $90 a month? There's no way I can afford that. And I get it. $90 is a lot of money. But let me put it to you this way. If you can't afford $90 a month, how in the world are you going to afford a giant vet bill when it happens? And I say when because if you're a dog owner, you're gonna have vet bills. Even if your dog is entirely healthy its whole life, pups get old. And when they get old, a whole host of problems can occur, including cancer, skin and coat conditions, eye conditions. So why not be prepared for when those things do happen? So again, let's get back to the numbers. We pay $90 a month for Miss Olive. Actually, when we first got her and got pet insurance for her when she was about 6 months old, it was closer to $40 a month. But she has had some issues, and so our premiums went up. So let's just say for the sake of argument that we've paid $90 a month for the entirety of Miss Olive's life, almost 6 years. Okay, so we've paid in about $5,400 over Olive's life for her pet insurance premiums. However, from all of her vet visits and health bills, our insurance company has paid out $9,057. So that means we're still saving $3,657 that we would have had to pay to cover her vet expenses. So currently right now we use Trupanion vet insurance for Olive. And in no way am I sponsored or endorsed by Trupanion, we've just had a really good experience with them. They pay out 90% of all claims with no lifetime cap, which is great because it means that you're never gonna hit a limit and then they say, sorry, we're not paying out anymore. Now I will say that they don't cover routine care like vaccines, teeth cleanings, and exam fees, but they do cover everything else, all of the major catastrophic things that can catch you by surprise. So don't wait until you're sitting in your vet's office staring at a vet bill with way too many zeros that you can't afford. Please explore your options. There are more and more companies out there that are available to you and you can adjust the coverage to fit your budget. Your dog is depending on you to be able to provide for them the care that they need when they need it. I'm Casey for The Gentle Pit, and thank you for joining us for our pet insurance video.